Bullish ramp cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 66 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept ramp could reach 27 cents by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2023 is 6 cents. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to boost their crypto returns. Be that as it may, Ramp's previous presentation has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. Notwithstanding that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the digital currency market, with promising future outcomes. On the off chance that you're interested about the cost of Ramp, you're perfectly positioned. In this article, we've summed up Ramp cost expectations, from Ramp cost today to average cost, current cost, past execution, verifiable information, least cost, normal exchanging cost, and greatest cost, as well as thinking about whether Ramp coin is supposed to be a wise speculation for what's in store. For our intensive Ramp cost figure, continue to peruse. What is Ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-bind driving stage intended to help DeFi reception. It was established by Lo Zhengrong and Lawrence Lim to boost capital productivity on stacked advanced resources. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to expand their yields. Ramp engages clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins flawlessly across different blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a component of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol as utilized. This framework augments capital effectiveness as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack numerous yield streams immediately. Clients who are as of now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint USD at zero expenses by storing their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both RUSD and EUSD holders to get, loan, or trade their tokens unreservedly and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get esteem back on the coins they hold. Ramp's one-of-a-kind selling point is the manner by which it furnishes clients with the most minimal getting expenses and probably the most elevated store yields on guarantee resources. Ramp specialized examination. Ramp's creation was essentially provoked by the soaring development of the marking economy. And as this development raises, the cost of Ramp coin is likewise liable to increment. Like other digital forms of money, there is a restricted most extreme inventory of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be stamped, and any Ramp consumed is for all time eliminated from course. This makes Ramp DeFi invulnerable to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A greater part of crypto fans are likewise putting down their wagers entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise venture. As the DeFi crypto industry grows much further, specialists have assessed that the cost of Ramp will probably ascend from here on out, and any speculation could bring great returns. Ramp essential investigation. A greater part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market whole. The Ramp stage is great for battling this issue and enabling non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors a novel market potential with superb possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to procure yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, getting RUSD stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different ventures all simultaneously. This proficient framework permits clients to appreciate significant yields on venture on their resources and at the same time separate liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of elements, including yield cultivating open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp outfits clients with a particular situation to procure colossal benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious cryptographic money market hole. Ramp current cost. Ramp is right now worth 7 cents USD. Ramp has moved 12.69% as of now with an exchanging volume of $114,185. Ramp is presently positioned 415 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $35,308,685 USD. Ramp value forecast 2023. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Ramp cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 11 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of 9 cents. Ramp value forecast 2024. In 2024, ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ramp will before long outperform 19 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the ramp's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 15 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 17 cents. Ramp value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 27 cents and ramp might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 25 cents and a low of 23 cents in 2025. Ramp value forecast 2026. In the event that ramp effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ramp will be green in 2026. The ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 35 cents, with a base cost of 31 cents and a typical cost of 32 cents. Ramp value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 40 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 39 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ramp has a most extreme value worth of 42 cents. Ramp value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 48 cents. In the event that ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 50 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help ramp needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 46 cents. Ramp value expectation 2029. While ramp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 54 cents and a yearly cost close above 58 cents in 2029. Ramp value expectation 2030. By 2030, ramp will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 62 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 66 cents, averaging out at 64 cents. Ramp value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ramp cost in 2031 is projected to be 76 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 73 cents. Our ramp value forecasts are planned on specialized examination, as it were. We utilize a few specialized pointers, including MACD, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, moving midpoints, and trend lines.